We're at Bluebird Gap Farm with my impatient nephew. It's one of the places I used to take my little children. John, we like to keep the coat on. Zip it up if you can. Thank you. It used to be just a bunch of old stuff in here. I guess it still is, but they didn't clean most of it out.
You can come in here. You can't.
You can. You just can't go over the rope.
Why?
But you can't.
Look
Look at that old refrigerator.
This is an old refrigerator.
This is like taking you back through history of where we all started from. The old refrigerators, the old sewing machines. I mean, just everything.
Is this a long time ago? Is this a long time ago?
This stuff is, yeah. It's old.
How?
Come on. No, it's a chicken coop.
Don't touch it.
You can go up here and see some chickens if you wanted to.
I got shots.
You got shots?
Can I go up here?
Go ahead. Watch out, so
I see bunnies.
there's a bunny? Oh, there is bunnies.
Oh, we can go in
Oh,
there.
look, there's chickens too.
What?
See the chicken?
I don't see it.
All right, go the other way so we can go down.
I don't see chickens.
Well, you're missing over here, John. I wonder if there's any chickens in this. If anything's in it. Nothing in it. They used to have snakes. Oh, there's turkeys. Oh, it's a turkey. What is this thing? Is that a bunny? I guess it is. It looks crazy as hell to me.
Can you go over there now?
Go over where?
Over the playground.
Well, I'm enjoying this. Let's check this out.
I've been here before. At my summer camp.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they got all sorts of little stuff out here. Not too many animals anymore. Hi. You don't look too enthused. Don't do that. You don't want to get your head stuck. You don't want to be the guy that gets his head stuck. I guess let's walk around this little place. That's what they got it for.
Guys over here, just play.
You can't be left by yourself, and I just want to see the animals and what they're doing over here. Cause I'm nosy.
What?
Said cause I'm nosy.
How you nosy? How you nosy?
Cause I am. Just like you are. Just like you be like, why? Why? Why for?
Oh.
And plus, I haven't made a YouTube video in a while. So I figured I'd make one so the YouTube community knows that I still got love for them. It's just times are hard, and everything that I'm going through right now I can't really discuss until after the fact. But for those of you that are still listening, I am happy to say that I enjoyed my dinner with my son and his foster parents. It was a great dinner. It was filled with laughs and family and memories. So I'm blessed. Looks like Michael Myers, all he needs is the mask. The interstate's right there. Ooh, Cameron would love these flowers. Yeah. You've asked, I want to play this video back to see how many times you've asked me that. And I know I've let you play 15 minutes before we even started walking around to see the animals. And I ain't used to that. My kids are used to do one and done. I'm used to saying one time, 2 times at the tops. It's not boring over here. I like it. That's a kid's perspective. It's boring to look at nature and plants. They want to play, play, play. From sun up to sundown. There used to be a lot of chickens right there. I wonder what happened to them. They kind of swiped the chickens for the bunnies, which is a weird thing. Hold on, John. I got something in my shoe. What is this? See, they moved the chickens over here. The coop, okay. They changed this a bunch. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, this is kind of sad for them, really. Listen to all that car traffic. It must have been hard for them at first. I mean, to get used to it. Hi. What's up? Be careful, they will eat your clothing.
Look what he did.
Be careful, don't poke his eye or nothing. Ready? Won't this a fun day trip? Ooh, you look angry. Don't touch him. He bites. Because it says right there. Beware.
Read it.
And it says right here. What does it say?
I don't know.
What does it say?
Read it.
You read it.
I don't know this one word.
Animals
Don't touch.
may bite. Come on. They look. Ooh, shit. That one just popped up out of nowhere. Scared me, Lord.
They can bite their heads.
Yeah.
How? How?
Kind of looks sick.
What?
So it kind of looks sick. I don't think there's anything in here.
Look.
The barn. Oh, we got the cow. Hey. Hey there, Mr. Cow. Oh, got a goat. Mrs. Cow.
Don't touch it. Did they hurt you? Did they hurt you?
Oh, shit, the pig scared the shit out of me. What's up, Mr. Pig? That's a bull. What's up? What's up, Billy Goat?
Can you touch him?
Yeah, why not?
I'm just scared.
Scared of what? Hi there. Hi. Hi. Oh, he don't want to be touched. He just didn't want to be touched. He probably used to people touching him all day long.
It's a cow. It's a cow. It's a cow. Big cow. It's a big cow. What's this? Can you get this?
I ain't got no change on me, John. Look at that llama.
Can we go forward now? Can we bite? Can we
Is he
bite?
coming over here? He is.
No, I'm just kidding. Can we bite?
Yeah, I'm sure they can all bite.
What?
Yeah, I'm sure they can all bite.
Can they all bite?
Yeah. Look at the cow.
Look
Wow, look how big that cow is.
Oh, I like that.
Hi. Hi there, baby.
Here.
I wish I had names.
Can you go up here? Can you go up there? What does that say?
No outside food. Hi. Hi. Look at that llama. Come here, llama.
Here?
Come here.
No, can you go with me? Excuse me? Can you go up here?
Go ahead. Hey, Mrs. Cow. Well, this one's coming right at me. He came right up on
Can
me.
he bite you?
No, but they will spit at you.
Why?
That's just what they do.
How does
What's up, y'all? Oh, that one's shitting.
what?
Did you see the donkey? What's up? Hi, yeah, I'm talking to you. How you doing today?
Is he pooping?
No, the donkey was.
Is he pooping?
You're obsessed with poop, huh?
I can't say poop.
Oh, look at the cow coming over here.
Don't see the cow.
The one with the horns are the boys, ain't they? So that's a bull, huh?
Is it pooping?
No, it's not pooping.
What's it doing?
It looks like he's just minding his business, just chilling.
Can you open that door?
No.
Why? Because somebody.
I wonder what that llama's looking at. Let's go over there.
Look at all the animals.
I know. You can go play. What's up? What's up, Sally? What's up? What you looking at, Steve? What's your name a llama? I'll never know. All right, I guess we're out here.